I don't want to take this back apart. Woo! Hey guys, welcome back to Jesse Does It. Today we've got my 96 F250 and we're going to be installing a light bar. It is made by Fazori Fabrication and it is a no drill application, meaning that I'm just going to bolt it to the bumper mounts. It's going to stick out of these two holes and a little push bar right up front where I can mount my 7-inch light pods right here. So let's get started. So here's the light bar with the brackets. I've already painted it with some metallized, flat black. It looks really good. And it is going to mount to the bumper. Now, let's see if we can show this. So it's going to go on these two bolts here, but on the opposite side. So I'm going to disconnect these bolts and then mount the bracket on the opposite side, put it back together, and then it will stick out here and here. So let's go ahead and get that done. Come here, I need your help. Real quick. Grab that end.
What end?
The bumper. This, right, no, right here. The bumper.
This?
Yeah, grab right here with two hands. Up here. And we're going to lift it off. Ready? Set.
Are you?
Alright, so we took the bumper completely off because we're going to have to remove these clips so that we can get the bracket on the other side of this bumper mount. So we're going to do that right now. Take that off, and that allows for the bracket to go in the back side. So on the passenger side, you want these two bolts up higher. That lines up with the bracket or with the light bar. So we'll put this through here into the bumper, and then that goes back on here like this. Same thing on this side. You want these two holes up on the top. So again, bolts through the bracket, bracket through the bumper, bumper through the frame. The light bar came with these awesome grade 8 big heavy duty bolts and nuts. We're going to go ahead and get that started now, put the light bar in there and fit it up.
I'm the mom to Danny now.
Are you? Sure you're not the sister?
I'm sure. I'm just pretending I'm the mom to Danny now. Since Mama is late.
There you got it. Light bar is level across the top. Even gappage. Time to mount the lights. So for these lights I went with aux beam 7-inch round, big, hefty. I think they're going to look great up there. Came with all the mounting hardware that you need. Today we're just going to get them set in place because I don't have time to fully wire them up. But we'll get you an idea of what it's going to look like. I'm actually going to loosen the light bar back up because this tilted forward would give me more access to mount these lights. So we'll just loosen it up a tad, tilt it forward, get all the lights mounted, and then tilt it back. I don't want to take this back apart. All right. So it's not final installed, not done wiring it, I haven't fully tightened it, but you get the idea. Looks awesome. All right, so we're doing the wiring now. I've got the wires ran behind the bumper. Underneath that crack, I did have to lower the bumper. I will raise it back up. Well, I'm going to be replacing these because these are cheap. So I'm going to replace these with actual eyelets. Do that real quick. Switch, you've got two sides for on and off. On, that's the main ones. And then you've also got the driving lights, which is on the other side. Pretty sweet. So now we'll just run this wire all the way into the cab and be done with that. All right, so we've got it installed. We've got the whole light bar, all the lights, everything, the wires tucked away, everything good to go, and we're gonna have my daughter hopefully push the right buttons and turn on. Go ahead, button 1. Woo, button 2. Button 2. Do it again. And button 1. There you go. Good job. Thank you, babe. All right, you can come out. As you can see, they're very bright. I love the way they look. Very happy with them. The bar itself is awesome. Like I said, bolt in, no drilling, no fabrication on my end. Fazori did all that for me. I love the way it looks, and I think it's going to brighten up the night. Thanks for checking in, guys. Have a good one.